So, you want to go step by step, but you are overwhelmed, you are trying to jump, take a leap, right? When I meditated for the first day, I started hearing my inner voice, inner guidance. And the same night, my third eye is open. In order to reach that state, I did not take step by step. Immediately I got. Because it's a continuation from my past life. So that overwhelming is not wrong. You are trying to catch up where you left in the past. After that, you will automatically ground. Give a clap. Wow. Okay, so until then, to catch up. Say, for example, you're already doing some work, you took a career break. Again, will you go back from base? No. Where you left, you will catch up. Spirituality is continuation from the past lives. So you're just trying to catch up now. That is why you're rushing. No problem. You will ground when you reach that stage, and from there automatically you will slow down. But if you try to consciously don't do anything, consciously we should do only ignoring thoughts, nothing else. Naturally let it flow. You'll get it. What a beautiful question.